Hey, hey everyone. I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on how to do the strength versus weakness picture in pictures. And what you're going to do is it says to find images to display that shows your strength and find 5 images that shows your weakness. That should say weakness. I got to fix that. The purpose of this is to show you how to do that. So you open up your Google slide, and then you open up a new slide and search for one of your strengths. So I chose creative, and so I clicked on creative and I clicked on images, and so I'm going to find a picture that I like that shows creative. Ooh, I like this one right here. So I'm going to hit Control and click. I'm going to copy that image. And then I'm going to go back to my strength versus weakness, and I am going to paste it in there. Okay, and I can move that around, and if I grab a corner, I can make it smaller. I can grab a corner and I can make it bigger. But this is what I want you to do. I want you to go to the Google search, and I want you to type in one of your strengths or one of your weaknesses. And then I want you to choose a picture that represents that. There's some good ones here. I don't like cartoons for some reason, so I'm going to choose this one. And I'm going to copy the image, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so I can move that around, can make it smaller and larger. Okay, that's how I find my strengths. Now I'm going to look for my weakness. So my weakness is that I am unmotivated. Oh, I love this couch potato. That's funny. This really feels like me. So I'm going to copy this image. I'm going to bring it over here and put it on the weakness side. And I'm going to paste it in there. Remember, I can change the size. I can move it, right? I can make it fit, work for me. And another one of my weaknesses is procrastination. I should put typing on there because that's one too. I'm just going to grab this one. I'm going to click that and put it in there. Okay, so I've only got 2 in each right now, so I'm not complete because I need to have 5, but I've at least got it started and I have room for other pictures. And that's all you need to do. And then you save and submit. All right, hope this helps.